Hello guys, Mariela here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. If you're a returner, thank you so much for watching. You're a real one. And today we're going to address the specific Herbalife questions that all of you guys had. So Herbalife is a company that has been around for 40 years and our products are sold in over 90 countries. So it's a company that I would say has been around for a pretty long time. It is the #1 nutrition company in the world. Yes. So we have everything. We don't only sell shakes, body care, we sell facial care, we sell nutrition, we sell vitamins. We literally have everything when it comes to your external and internal nutrition. So it's definitely a well-rounded company and I absolutely love it. I stand by it. I've been consuming these products for a couple of years now, and ever since I started, my health has been to the T. It's a motivating environment. It's an amazing community. So yes, I absolutely love Herbalife, which is another reason why I film YouTube videos about them as well. But anyways, let me stop rambling and let me get to the questions. I have my handy dandy notebook. So one of the main questions that I've been getting is, what is Prolessa and how do I consume Prolessa? So I have my Prolessa right here. So the way that your Prolessa is intended to be consumed is in your shake, or maybe like on top of some yogurt or something like that. But I prefer this on my shake, and I don't blend it in with my shake. I make my shake and then I sprinkle the Prolessa on the top, and then I eat it with a spoon. So I know that it sounds really weird, but I promise you this is how everyone in the Herbalife community consumes the Prolessa, because the Prolessa kind of gets lost in the shake. When you shake it, it gives you the full result when you kind of take it a little dry. So you sprinkle it on top of your shake, you move it around with your spoon, and then you eat it. So it kind of gets like into a pudding consistency. I'll see if I can insert a clip of what that looks like right here. But that is how you consume your Prolessa. And Prolessa is just an amazing product because it burns abdominal fat, it suppresses your appetite, and believe it or not, it tastes bomb. Like, to me, it tastes like baby formula. So I totally don't mind sprinkling it on top of my shake and eating it with a spoon. It's kind of my guilty pleasure. Another question that I got asked was, if I don't have aloe, can I use honey? So I wouldn't recommend that, because honey actually has a high amount of calories, and honey is not meant for your digestive health. It has completely different properties, and they're not similar at all whatsoever. If you don't have any aloe, I would say just drink the tea with maybe some beauty booster or some apple fiber complex. And if you don't have any of those sweeteners or products that Herbalife does carry, then just drink it plain, but don't mix it with anything else. I wouldn't recommend that at all. Another question that I got asked was, is Herbalife good for breastfeeding moms? So Herbalife is 100% great for breastfeeding moms. So we do have targeted products for every person's needs, and we do have new moms, and we have products where they'll be able to get all the vitamins that their body needs to continue to lactate and continue to give their kids that healthy nutrition through the breast milk, but also work on their own fitness and weight loss goals. Another question that I keep getting asked continuously is, can you be my Herbalife coach? Now, listen to what I'm about to say. If you have never consumed Herbalife products or purchased Herbalife products, I can be your coach. If you've already had a coach within the last 2 years, then I cannot be your coach. You cannot use my link to purchase if you already have an Herbalife coach, and the only way that you can get rid of that coach and have me as your coach would be to wait 2 years. But I recommend for you to call Herbalife, and they can give you more information on that. But normally what they would say, if things haven't changed, is that you have to wait 2 years without buying anything from your Herbalife account, so it can kind of expire and then you can start fresh. But I do recommend for you to call Herbalife and find out directly through them. But if you've never purchased any products and you've never joined Herbalife, then I absolutely can be your coach. But if you've already had a coach and it's been within the last 2 years, then most likely I cannot, unfortunately. Another question that I'm getting is, how long will it take me to lose weight? I try not to be judgmental. I call my channel a judgment-free zone, but I absolutely hate this question. And the reason why I hate this question is because you're already rushing the process before you even start it. And that is not a good sign, because it means that if you don't see the results within that short amount of time, you're gonna quit. And a weight loss journey is a journey, and journeys are usually a little bit more on the longer side instead of the shorter side. So to me, when you're entering a weight loss journey or any kind of journey, you can't really put a time limit on it, because if you put a time limit, you're already failing, because nothing ever goes as planned in life. There's always hiccups and bumps along the road, but the beauty of it is that you have to keep going. But if you're already putting that line or that wall up, then it just shows me that you'll quit as soon as you start, because you're not seeing the results that you want. And also, think about it. If you want to lose weight or you're in a weight loss journey, you're trying to reverse all of the damage that you've already done to your body. I know that you didn't get fat or you didn't gain all that weight overnight. It took some time for you to gain that weight, so it's going to take some time for you to lose that weight. So I just want you to have the right mindset when you ask me that question. Another question that I get asked a lot is, what blender do I use? So I do own 2 blenders. I own a Ninja and I own this Hamilton Beach blender. And I actually prefer this blender over the other one because I feel like it gives me a much smoother shake. It's a very affordable blender. I got it for only $15 at Walmart, and I highly recommend it. You don't need an extravagant blender to get super smooth shakes. I actually prefer this, on the contrary to my Ninja, which was over $100. So I also keep getting asked which supplement is the one that's good for your hair. So I made a whole video where I show my hair care routine and what products I consume so it can get long. My hair did used to be like up to there, and it's grown so much ever since I did take these supplements and this shampoo and conditioner that I also added to my routine. So I am linking that video down below so you guys can learn more about the supplement specifically intended for your hair and for your skin and your nails, okay? Can I drink alcohol while consuming the products? So to give you a one-word answer, yes, you can consume alcohol while consuming Herbalife products. Now, to give you my opinion, I believe that if you are on a weight loss journey, you should keep alcohol to a minimum. Me personally, I do not consume any type of alcohol. I don't have alcohol in my house. I actually might have 1 bottle of wine just so I can be able to serve it to my guests. But for me personally, I don't consume any alcohol when I'm on a weight loss journey. Alcohol does have a lot of calories, but I also believe that life is about balance. So I believe that if you do the math and you sit down and you plan accordingly, just as if you were planning a cheat meal, plan your drinks. They do have super low calorie drinks, and if it fits your macros, why not do it? Life is too short to live on such drastic restrictions. So if you want to have a drink, I say that you have a drink, but remember, life is about balance, so don't overdo it. So a very important question that I get asked all the time, which I already addressed in another video, but I want to address it in this video as well. The question is, can I buy my products through Amazon or eBay? What is the difference? Baby girl or baby boy, I want to tell you that when you buy your products off any retailer, it's not guaranteed to be an original product. And the reason why is because Herbalife does not sell products through any retailers whatsoever. Herbalife only sells products through independent distributors, or maybe you'll find some in nutrition shops, which the nutrition shops are usually ran by independent distributors, but you will not find these products in any retail store. You won't find these products in any supermarket. Also, there's so many benefits to buying your products directly from an independent distributor or a coach. Part of those benefits are receiving a meal and exercise plan receiving 100% support. Be part of an amazing community and an amazing support group that will motivate you. You'll get ideas for recipes. You'll have people on your corner, people like me that are always going to be pushing you and motivating you. So the benefits are endless when you purchase your products through an independent distributor. And remember that it's never guaranteed. It's never a short thing when you purchase through Amazon or eBay. Those are people that sell products on those websites. You don't know if they're used. You don't know what's in the container. So I do not recommend that at all whatsoever. Hey guys, so before I wrap up the video, I want to say welcome to my team, all the new amazing people that joined in July. You guys are boss babes, and I know that you guys are all gonna reach your weight loss goal. So I want to give a shout out to Elizabeth from Sacramento, to Anika from Ridgewood, to Dominique from Jamaica, Queens, to Charity from Texas, to Melissa from Allentown, to Michelle from Boston, to Brianna from New York, and to Viridina from Allentown. I am so delighted to have you guys be a part of my team. I know that we're gonna rock it together, and you know what? Now that I'm giving you guys a shout out, I want to set a goal out loud. I say that in the month of August, we lose 5 pounds together. So my goal for the month of August is to lose 5 pounds, and I want you guys to join me during that challenge. And I want you guys at the end of the month to comment below or contact me directly through Instagram and let me know if you achieved this goal. Thank you ladies so much for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to become one, and if you are a subscriber, you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.